Hi and welcome back to a new video. For today, we are building Pixar's Lexo ball. The Lego pieces that we will be needing are 9 pieces of 1x2 brick studs, 6 pieces of 4x4 yellow plates, 10 pieces of 1x2 yellow plate, 1 piece of 2x4 yellow plate, 1 piece of 2x2 yellow plate, 2 pieces of 1x2 red plates, 1 piece of 2x2 red plate, 1 piece of 2x4 red plate, 4 pieces of 2x2 blue plates, and last of all, 4 pieces of 2x4 blue plates. After finding the pieces, Lego build. Get it? Lego build? That's it, you have created your own Lego Luxo ball.